Good morning and thanks for tuning in. This is Holly Shields live from Kalkine Studios in Sydney and you're watching the early trades. Today the S&P ASX 200 is sharply lower, dropping 4.77% and setting a new 50-day low. The bottom performing stocks in this index are Zipco, which is down 17.46%, and Chalice Mining down as well at 13.59%. Over the past 5 days, the index has lost 6.97% and it sits slightly above its 52-week low. All 11 sectors today are lower, along with the S&P ASX 200 index. Although this session's top sector, consumer staples, is down 2.76%, continuing its decline over the past 5 days. And look at some stocks making a buzz today in the opening session. Health imaging company Medicus Limited has signed 2 contract renewals worth a combined value of $47 million. Meanwhile, Sutter Health, a large integrated delivery network based in California, has signed for a further 7 years, and WellSpan Health as well, another company, for a further 5. Medicus said that both deals were negotiated at a higher per transaction cost than their original contracts. Shares of the company were trading at $39.49, down 4.57% in the opening session. And moving on, another health club owner and operator, Viva Leisure, expects to exceed its guidance for the 2022 financial year. The company has achieved revenue for May of above $10 million, and it still expects second half revenue to exceed the previous guidance to $56 million. Viva's second half margin is also tracking towards the upper end of the previous guidance of between 15% and 17%. Its June EBITDA margin is expected to exceed 20% as well. And the guidance upgrade comes after the company reported record monthly revenue of around $9.5 million in April. That month's annualized RRR exceeded $116 million. And on the back of this, shares of Viva Leisure were trading at $1.44 in the opening session. Next up, rare earth mining company Lynas Rare Earths has announced that it signed a follow-on contract for approximately $120 million with the U.S. Department of Defense to establish a first-of-its-kind commercial heavy rare earths separation facility in the U.S. According to the company, this mutually beneficial contract supports Lynas to establish an operating footprint in the United States, including the production of separated heavy rare earth products to complement its light rare earth product suite. And on the back of this update, shares of Lynas Rare Earths were trading down, unfortunately, 5.08% in the opening session of the ASX. And finally, some news from the gold producer and explorer Westgold Resources, which has reported record gold production from its Bryah and Murchison operations as of May of 25,000 ounces. The company said it remains on track to meet its full-year production and cost guidance of 270,000 ounces at an all-in cost sustaining of $1,500 to $1,700 an ounce. Shares of Westgold Resources were trading up 5.58% in the opening session. And that is a wrap on the early trades. Stay tuned for more today only on Kalkine TV. I'm Holly Shields signing off.